Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and connect to your Mova P50 Pro Ultra using the Mova Home app available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the P50 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing you have to do, get the app downloaded, sign in or create your account. Then you'll be at this screen where we can add our device, and we have two different ways to do that. The first is scan a QR code to connect. The second is add, so we can manually hit that add button and then pick and choose our model. We're going to scan the QR code. So we're going to open up our cover, hit the code right there with our camera, and now we're taken to this screen where we need to connect to our Wi-Fi router. So make sure it connects to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network to get the results that you want to avoid any issues. So don't use a 5G network, use a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Select your network, enter your password, then select next. Now we got to make sure the device is turned on. So place the robot in the base station and press and hold the power button to turn it on. I believe ours is already on. Ours is on. If yours isn't, go ahead, do that. You'll hear a startup noise. Select next. Release the hotspot. So we got to hold down the spot and home button for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Got the voice prompt. Select next. Now device hotspot connection, we got to select that. There it is, hit join. Got a voice prompt to return back to the app. We're already still in the app. Currently it's going through a checklist to connect.
Network connected successfully.
Everything's set up. Now we're going to wait for the app to update. And now we can select finished. And there we go. Our device has successfully been set up and added to our account. Simple, straightforward, very quick, and easy to do.